I gave it. Start recording. Yeah. Now it's happening, right? Hi. Okay. So
Yes.
we'll go ahead with our final account format. The format is name of the firm, XYZ Limited, trading account for the year ended, whichever 31/12, 2015, 2017, 2020, whatever it is. Yeah. Debit side, credit side. I've given only one amount column here, but there'll be an inner column and outer column. Yeah. Inner column and outer column, you will ask me what is inner column and outer column. I'll tell you when I'm doing a problem. Fine. So left hand side, all these are the equations. Left hand side, whatever is there is the complete aspect. Direct expenses will come in trading account. Indirect expenses will come in your P&L account. Okay. Factory related expenses, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Factory related expenses will be coming in the direct in your trading account. Office related aspects will come in your P&L account. Yeah. Again, I'm telling you, remember the word purchase return is otherwise called as return outwards. Sales return is otherwise called as return inwards. Okay, so that is the aspect. Fine. And now, with related to carriage inward is in a trading account, carriage outward is a P&L account. These are the gist which you have to take it in from your paper from this particular things. And then both in trading account you will get your gross profit. Yeah. And that gross profit will be brought down towards P&L account. All the received items will come in the credit side in your P&L account. Can you see received items here? All the received incomes and all that will come in your credit transaction of your P&L account. Apprenticeship premium is a completely P&L account credit side. Yeah. Then if gross loss comes, it will come in your debit side. Otherwise, all the office salaries and everything, all the expenses, indirect expenses will come in your P&L account. There's one concept of trade expense which I told you yesterday also. Trade expense was is an aspect where it is in a P&L account transaction, but one or two sums they are telling that it is in a direct expense. So that problem I will tell you where it is, what it is when we are doing a problem. Fine. So that's not a problem in other aspects. Insurance premium, there will be a lot of adjustments, 6 months, 0.5 months and all that adjustments will be there in insurance premium. So make sure that you're doing it. Bad debts is another important adjustments which is really very, very important. Bad debt recovered is here. Bad debts is here. These are all very important adjustments. Interest on capital is an important adjustment. All this aspect is very, very important. And after that, depreciation. Depreciation is another important aspect on a fixed asset. These are the cases where you are having adjustments in your problems. Fine. There you get your net profit. If credit is higher and debit is lower, you get net profit. If debit is higher and you get in credit, it is net loss. So when there is a gross loss problem, you will get a net loss. Okay. Gross loss means net loss. Net loss means net losses will be subtracted in the balance sheet. So normally my problems will have profit. No worries about it. Then liability, assets, current liability, current assets, fixed liability, investments. All these things, capital, add net profit, interest on capital, less drawings, less income tax. Remember these concepts. These concepts should be remembered even when you get up from your, when I call you in the middle of the night at 1 o'clock, I'll not call you. That's a secondary aspect. But if I'm calling you, you should remember these concepts. Capital, add net profit, add interest on capital, less drawings, less income tax, less interest on drawings, less net loss. Yeah, these are the concepts which you have to remember. The next aspect is fixed assets. All your plant and machinery, furniture, buildings are all fixed assets. Goodwill, patent, trademarks are all coming under fixed asset. Stock and trade, the other name is closing stock. Yeah. So all these aspects are one particular thing. Now what we do is, this is how we get our, after doing all this in our, most of the organization, they will never tally the balance sheet. They'll keep it as balance sheet closing and balance sheet opening. Yeah. If you see the accounting cycle also, it is like that only, balance sheet opening and balance sheet closing. But in our classes, we will tally our balance sheet. Yeah. That is just to understand and make you also feel that, yeah, I'm right in my answer. Yeah. So we will tally our answers with every aspect, because there they won't be doing all this. what capital, add net profit, interest on capital, and all these things, they will not be deducting, they'll just be writing the amount. Okay, so that is the reason it's be opening and closing. Fine. So that's the aspect of annual reports. Fine. This is the aspect of your format. So we will go ahead with a problem right now. My first problem in account in final accounts, it's a very small problem. Very small problem or a big problem I should give. Wait 1 minute. Let me just see whether this has a this is tallied properly. I don't want to give you a problem which is not tallying at all. This is the first problem, so I have worked it out. Yes, it tallies automatically. Yes. Okay, this is the problem I like to share. So I will open it, the PDF. So what is the problem? It says is, from the following trial balance of Mohan, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st 12. Change the number as 2020 or 19 and balance sheet as on that date. Yeah. So purchase and sales is there, debit, credit, particulars is there. This is how your trial balance is also. Am I right? From the trial balance only we are doing this trading and profit and loss account. Fine. Purchase and sales. Purchase is debit, credit is sales. Opening stock is there. That's nothing but opening stock is nothing but the opening balance 28,000. Plant and machinery is there. Sundry debtors is 27,000. Sundry creditors is 25,000. Return inwards is nothing but sales return. Return outwards is 1,275. It's nothing but purchase return. Yeah. Capital is given as 1 lakh. Discount allowed, discount received. Bank charges, salary and wages, carriage inward, carriage outward, rent, rate and tax, advertisement, cash at bank. Now this is the sum which we are going to do. Yeah. Now what I'll do is 1 minute. I'll upload this. How do I make it? Yeah. Can you take a photo of this and put it in our chat box, please, in Microsoft Team, so that you give me an answer also. Microsoft Team chat box. Just take a photo of that problem. Many photographers are there. Please, fast. So I'm now going for preparing my. Thank you. Somebody has done it, I think. Who has done it? Yeah. Thank you, Ganesh Balaji, for starting the problem. Yeah. The whole thing is there, no? The problem as a question is there. The whole question is there. So I'm closing it from here. Yeah. This also has to come. I think the trial balance. Yeah. Just take this from which year it is. Okay. Fine. So at least remember that particular aspect. I'm closing it. Thank you. Now, Excel. Yeah. Fine. What is a person's name? What is the problem's name? Trading and profit and loss account. Yeah. Trading and profit and loss account.
Trial balance of Mohan, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. For the year ending, I'll change the date. 31/12, right? Something 2009. What was the date I given there? 19.
2019 or 20 you told, ma'am, but then in the question 2009.
Yeah, so make it as 2019.
2009. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, in the books of Mohan. Yeah. So I have done my format. Are you? I think this has to be. Okay. So okay, we'll not do all this work. Just created a sheet. Yeah. Here it is debit. That is credit. Date. Date. Particulars. Amount. Amount. Date. Particulars. Amount. Amount. So there is one more column which I have to give a. Yeah. Here it's rupees. Here it is rupees. 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 So I am ready with my format. Fine. What is there a date there? Is there a date there?
No, ma'am. For in that
Okay,
format
so
date
then,
is no.
yeah. So then we can keep it as a format only. Okay. So my line will be very less. Okay. I'm giving more importance to particulars and the amount. Now here in C column, yeah, there's a two amount column. I told you in the format is there's only one column, but here there is a two columns. Why you have to ask a question? It's an inner column where we do all the calculation here, and then outside the outer column is the end column, which is D. Okay, so there you get your answer. Now suppose for example 10,000 minus 5,000, what is the answer? 5,000. Yeah, so that's what will be there in the D. So that's the reason I gave you inner column and outer column. So this C is an inner column, D is outer column. So remember that particular aspect, and after that we'll go ahead doing our problem right now. Now the question is in your thing, two opening stock. What is the opening stock? What is the amount?
28,000.
28 or
28 opening
opening
stocks.
stock? 28,000. There is no adjustments for that. What is the adjustment given in the problem?
Closing stock.
What is the closing stock?
35,000.
35.
Yeah, keep that in the track. Only one adjustment is given, so it's easy. So to opening stock, then what is next?
Purchase.
According to the problem, to purchase.
Plant and machinery, ma'am.
Purchase, right?
Purchase.
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 Yeah.
Not there in problem.
70,000. What is the return? Purchase return?
1,275.
1,275.
Returns outwards. Return outwards 1,275. So what is the amount?
68,725, ma'am.
Thank you. I need an answer. 68,725. I don't want anybody working out now. Please listen. Only see the question and then tell me. Yeah. After that, what is the other thing is there in your trading and profit loss account? Is carriage inward there?
Carriage inwards, 750.
Carriage.
Carriage inward. Carriage inward, how much is the amount? 750. Yeah. Anything else is there? In the P&L account credit side, I mean trading account credit side is there. Buy sales.
Buy
What is the
sales.
amount?
1,27,000.
1,27,000. Less sales return. No, not sales return. It is return inwards. So write what is there in the problem. Returns inwards. What is the amount?
1,000.
1,000. So 1,27,000 minus 1,000. It's a very simple aspect. Addition and subtraction. 1,26,000. Anything else is there? Yeah, buy closing stock. Adjustment is there. All the adjustments will come in two places, guys. Make a note of that. All the adjustments will come in two places. So buy closing stock, I've given 35,000. all the adjustments will come in two places. Either it will come in trading, or it will come in P&L, or it will come in balance sheet. Anyway, it will come in balance sheet. What is coming in P&L, it will come as well as in balance sheet. If it is coming in trading account, it will come in balance sheet. That is what I'm trying to tell you. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to tell you. Now, what is the total? 1,26,000 plus 35. We know that credit side is only higher by seeing the amount itself, right? So how much is the amount here? 1 lakh.
1,61,000, ma'am.
1,61,000 minus all this. How much you get? 1,61,000 minus 750, 68,725 and 28,000. How much you get?
91,525.
Huh?
91,525.
Kindly minus it properly. 1,61,000 minus 750 minus 68,725.
63,525.
How much? How much?
63,525.
63,525.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. 63,525. So your gross profit has come to your hand. First particular aspect. Yeah. So I've highlighted it. This is always transferred to profit and loss account. Loss account. So now completely by gross profit on 63,525. So I got my, now I'm continuing with my P&L account. I'm not giving any break. In the format I showed you the difference, the trading account, P&L account. But as I've given already the heading, trading and P&L account, I'm not going ahead with the breaking up my books. Okay, breaking up my
I
columns.
have a doubt.
Yes.
In the questions, so it's also given salaries and wages. So where do we take that
That's what I'm
profit
coming
or
with. Salary and wages will come in for profit and loss. Wages and salary is a direct expense. Salary and wages are indirect expense, because salary is a monthly aspect. Wages is on a daily basis. Are you getting it?
okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now, what is the next thing in the question? Discount allowed is there? All the direct expenses, indirect expenses will be there. Discount allowed is how much?
50, ma'am.
350. Yeah. 350.
Discount receive is 800.
Oh, thank you. To complete the thing, discount received will come here in your credit side. Discount received is how much?
800.
Yeah, you have to normally do simultaneously, then it is very good. Discount allowed over. Now, bank charges. Bank charges. Bank charges, how much is it? 75 rupees. To salary and wages, it's an indirect expenses. As somebody asked me, I think Rangacharya asked me that doubt, right? So salary and wages and salary, a very clear explanation. Salary and wages is on a monthly aspect, and wages and salary is on a daily basis. So salary and wages, what is the amount? 16,800. Yeah. So the next aspect is carriage outwards. Carriage outwards. Carriage outwards, what is the amount? 1,200. Kindly interact in the class, only then you will be able to do it. Rent rate. Rent rates and taxes.
2,000.
2,000, ma'am.
Okay, I can finish it. Otherwise, I will not be able to finish in the class. Two advertisements.
2,000.
Advertisements, how much is it? 2,000. Yeah. Anything else in the credit side? Anything else which I have left? No, nothing else I've left. Everything I have covered according to my format. Now, what is my balance? 63,525 plus 800. How much is it?
64,325.
64,325 minus all these things. Minus all the P and 41.
900 at Brock.
That's really nice. Who gave me this answer?
Ganesh Bala.
Thank you, Ganesh. It down. 64,325. Yeah. So net profit transferred, adjusted towards capital in balance sheet. Please write all this. This is very, very important. Yeah. Now we are going to the balance sheet. So we have finished our trading and P&L account in the books of. Now balance sheet has on 31/12/2000. What did I give there up? 2019. Yeah. So 2019. You can change it. I'll give you the changed version of the sum. No worries. So no worries. Now my balance sheet. With this, I finish the problem. Date, particulars, amount.
It's liabilities, ma'am, not
Oh
particulars.
yes, thank you. See, I made a mistake. Thank you. See, that is called as mistake. Everybody will make mistakes. Nobody is genius here. Yeah. So we will learn from mistakes and we will go ahead doing our problems. Yeah. Date will not be there, so you can just delete that column, but I can't delete because above there are columns there. In your paper, you don't have to write it. Assets, amount. Now current assets. What you have to do? Liabilities, right? What are the liabilities? The liabilities?
Creditors,
Yeah, creditors. What is the amount of creditors?
25,000.
Okay. There are no adjustments, so we are putting it. Then what is the next thing? Capital. Am I right? What is the amount of capital?
1
Lakh, ma'am. 1 lakh.
plus 4100.
1 lakh. Add
Net profit.
net profit. It's not coming like this. Not getting that. Okay, I'm putting it like this. Add net profit. Because I'm doing it in Excel, it is giving me the equations. Yeah, so add net profit. How much is it? 41,900. So what is my answer? 1,41,900. I got my answer. Yeah, that's all in assets. There, asset side, cash at bank is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, plant and machinery, ma'am. First one.
Yeah.
Fixed assets.
Really nice. Somebody told me plant and machinery. I'll go according to him also. Should I change it? Yeah. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. It's an order. He gave me an order. No, that's the way it has to be. 98,000. Next is cash at bank. Can I write cash at bank?
Bank.
6,900. Then
Debtors.
sundry debtors. Very easy problem this is. This will tally immediately without any data, without any aspects. 27,000. And then what else? Closing stock is also there. Closing stock also will be there. What is your closing stock?
35,000.
Yeah, 35,000. Now your balance sheet will tally. Give me your answer.
1,66,900.
1,66,900. Yeah. So you got your tallied.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what is happiness. We all smile. Yeah. Half the people would have not understood how I've done the problem, but I'm stopping to record. Yeah.